and there is a door directly going to the bathroom. I will show you. Welcome back to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your Red Angel. For today's video, we are here at Noble Apartment situated in a quiet and secured compound in Bagakay, Dumaguete. This property has 6 units, with a 1 unit is currently available. Features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a fully furnished. Tara, let's have a closer look. So my peeps, this area will be your living area. Go straight to the first bedroom. First bedroom offers a single bed and cabinets, but you can add split type aircon here if you want. So now I will show you the bathroom. This bathroom has a hot and cold shower and a double door direct to the master bedroom. And now let's go to the kitchen area. Kitchen area offers a fridge, dining table with 4 seaters, and kitchen utensils. So now let's go to the master bedroom. Master bedroom offers a 2 aircons, which is split type and a window type, queen size of bed, built-in cabinet, and there is a door directly going to the bathroom. I will show you. Let's go to the outside kitchen. So this is the outside kitchen, and beside of this outside kitchen, the owner put a water tank for this unit. So you don't have problem regarding with the water. In addition, my peeps, the area of this apartment is very near to schools, grocery stores, restaurants, hospitals, and mall. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested for a private viewing, kindly contact Alma Almonte Fulco. Full details provided below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching, my peeps. Love you!